Hey MotoGP fans! Welcome back to Raceline GP, your go-to channel for all the latest in the MotoGP world. Today, we've got a jam-packed episode covering some hot topics that you don't want to miss. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about Marc Marquez. The big question everyone's asking, will the Marc Marquez of old show up at the factory Ducati team next season? After spending 2024 with the Gresini team on year-old machinery and still managing to win 3 Grand Prix, Marc is stepping up to the factory Ducati squad alongside double world champion Francesco Bagnaia. At the recent post-season Barcelona test, Marc made his debut on the factory spec Ducati and finished an impressive 4th fastest, just behind his new teammate. Expectations are sky-high, with many wondering if he can clinch his 9th world title in 2025. But let's remember, Marc has evolved as a rider. He's gone through significant injuries since his dominant days with Honda. Experts believe we might see a more mature and strategic Marquez next season. He's likely to bring a more considered approach to racing, valuing each win even more after his past struggles. An interesting aspect will be how Marc adapts to the dynamics of the factory Ducati team, which has been Bagnaia's territory for years. Will there be a friendly rivalry or intense competition? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, Marc is determined to make his mark. Speaking of making marks, let's shift gears to Jorge Martin. After signing with Aprilia mid-season, many speculated that Ducati might not fully support him in his title quest. But guess what? Ducati stayed true to their word, giving Martin all the backing he needed. And the result? He beat Francesco Bagnaia by 10 points to clinch the MotoGP title. Martin expressed immense gratitude towards Ducati, acknowledging that not many believed the team would let him win after his decision to move to Aprilia. He praised Ducati's professionalism and thanked key figures like Gigi D'Oligna and Claudio Domenicali for their unwavering support. Reflecting on his journey, Martin mentioned how life has its twists and turns. Missing out on the factory Ducati seat led him to this incredible achievement with Pramac. He feels winning the championship with them is even more special. Now, as he prepares to join Aprilia, Martin is set to embark on a new chapter. His debut on the Aprilia at the Barcelona test saw him finishing 11th fastest. It will be exciting to see how he adapts to his new team and machinery. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the legend himself, Valentino Rossi. In a heartwarming gesture, Rossi has donated a signed helmet to aid the victims of the recent severe flooding in Valencia. The helmet is a special one, an AGV Pista GP RR, with the Soliluna design from his final MotoGP season in 2021. The auction is being hosted by Charity Stars and is set to close on 6th December. The starting bid is €3,000, and all proceeds will go to the Spanish Red Cross to support the affected communities. Rossi isn't alone in his efforts. Other MotoGP stars like David Alonso, Jorge Martinez Asper, Jaume Masia, and Maverick Vinales have also contributed by donating memorabilia or assisting in the cleanup efforts. It's truly inspiring to see the MotoGP community come together for a good cause. If you are a fan and want to own a piece of MotoGP history while supporting a worthy cause, this is your chance. So there you have it, a lot happening in the MotoGP world. What are your thoughts? Do you think Marc will reclaim his championship form with Ducati? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Raceline GP for all your MotoGP updates. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep the throttle wide open and ride safe.